So I was on a mountain overlooking an incredible cloud-covered valley when I received a hologram. Yeah, you heard that right, a hologram. Hey, what's going on, bro?
Not much. You on a mountain?
Yeah, look around. It looks insane.
Wow, dude, this is nuts.
So, what's up?
I was thinking we go explore Vancouver tomorrow. You down?
Yeah, totally. Let's do it. Well, I guess we're going on a little adventure tomorrow. Morning, guys. So right now it is 5:30 and we are overlooking the city. We got this epic view. We're gonna get some amazing content right now. Got the drone and we're gonna get some gimbal stuff as well. I'm excited. It's gonna be good. So we just got changed and are now heading up the mountain to a lookout spot that is overlooking a couple of islands. After seeing the city and the surrounding area from a distance, we decided to get a better look. Taking a hyperlapse of the art gallery right here, and it should look pretty good. after a long day of seeing some iconic locations in Vancouver, we are now overlooking Stanley Park during the sunset, and we just laid down this blanket right here and are just gonna chill and watch the sunset. From the mountains in the east to the sunsets at Stanley Park, it's crazy to say this place is in my own backyard.